So the plan is about here down to cut all the branches off so that the tree branches aren't touching the grass, so it's easier to keep this clean, but also it allows us to see wildlife better. It would also benefit the tree because more airflow and more water can get down, more sun can hit it, so growth for the tree as well. And we might cut some trees like this one. Like this is just taking away from the pine trees. It's really not supposed to be here. Because look, then the actual pine trees can grow. Now they did trim the tops of them so that they didn't cut the cords because these trees were taller.
Yeah.
So they've kind of rounded it off. But they didn't do it to the ones that were further away from the power lines.
Okay.
But yeah, these two are preventing the pine tree from growing properly because they're blocking all the sunlight.
Well, there's like 3 of them.
Yeah, like just cut them.
1, 2, 3.
Then the pine trees can grow better.
Got my safety equipment, got my glasses, hearing protection, and my chaps. Anytime we're using a chainsaw, it's important to protect yourself. And I've heard too many stories and seen too many examples of chainsaw injuries. When this thing is spinning full speed and one slip, that's all it takes for an accident to happen. Safety first. So let's gear up and then get started. This brings back early college days for me, doing the Melbourne Shuffle to house music. Exploration of space. I was getting down. I never had the correct wear, but I was into some shuffling. House music, Melbourne Shuffle. Exploration of space. I know there's still some snow on the ground, but the reason why this isn't fitting well is because I'm still wearing my winter boots. I need my steel-toed boots. Even more protection. I'll be right back.
Yes, you do.
I have monkey one. I have monkey.
I've used this chainsaw probably 3 times since we bought it, but we knew we were going to be doing some more work on the acreage. Oh. So I got to remember how to start this thing, but we're going to give it a go, rev it up, and see if it works. There, and then go there. Okay.
Here, I'll move the branches out of the way right away. One second.
Yeah. Okay, I'm cutting.
Yeah. Okay, and then just make sure you got all the ones at the bottom. I think you did.
Oh.
I've been wanting to do this since we came here. Yeah, do you think we should get rid of this one?
It would look cleaner.
Yeah.
If it wasn't here.
Yeah. I would just cut it down.
Thank you. I got it.
That thing is heavy.
Yeah, I know. Come on. Yeah. I don't want to waste fuel moving stuff out of the way. So I'll pause the chainsaw, clear out some more, and then cut away. Okay, I cleared enough away. I can start cutting some more. I'll actually show you what I'm working with here because it's kind of a mess. So this is what it's like when you don't trim your trees as they're growing. Is you have so many different points of growth, like really strong points, that it doesn't really look like a tree. So we've only been on this acreage for about 3.5 years, something like that. 4 years in December, the end of December. And this is a great example of what it looks like when things aren't tended to properly. We want to make sure that we do proper maintenance and pruning and trimming so that we don't have a bush of a tree. This used to be a tree, but you can even tell the bark is just unhealthy. There's too much going on. Too much energy is being spent on too many different connections, right? So trimming these down, giving them space is definitely going to help. And it's just something that we have to upkeep, but better late than never. Let's go. This kind of stuff is always a lot of work, but there's something nice about doing work on your own place. There's a sense of pride when you're finished. Right now it's just work, but I know it's going to look good when this is all done. And we already have some helping hands. Caden is dragging any branch light enough to drag over there. Caius, our 2-year-old, he's dragging branches too. It's a team effort. Okay, out of gas. Let's fill it up. Can you give me the gas, Anastasia? Okay, just hold on.
Gas is open, Papa.
Oh yeah, it's empty. I'll open this.
Hey, I'm gonna bring more to that one. Guys, just do it.
Jenna, no.
Look, Papa.
I got some fuel, got some oil.
I'm growing bigger.
Do you have the cap? Thank you.
Hey, Papa.
You got a big one?
Yeah.
Okay. You're taking that one over too?
Yeah.
Okay.
I carry 4 sticks in the. Oh, God.
You got to pick it up?
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Yeah. Papa, look. Oh, my God. Guys, it's first time doing that.
All right. Good job, Caius. High five. Okay.
High five.
Thank you for helping.
I see little ones. Papa.
What are you doing?
I carried it. I lay.
You're laying? Okay. All right, so we made some great progress. You can kind of see down there, it looks so much cleaner. Look at that. Whoa. We even found some posts hanging out under the tree there. So what we're going to do, we got to start wrapping it up for today, but We're going to clear out some more of the big stuff in the wheelbarrow, take it over to the fire pit. The fire pit is completely packed with stuff that we got to chop down and burn, but it's way too windy for that now, and we can't do everything in one day. But this is a huge step forward in cleaning this place up. So we'll move the rest of the branches away and then call it a day. But good stuff.